What's going on, folks? I want to share this video with you all of a Prowler actually in action and show you all the importance of making sure that you double check to make sure your doors and windows are locked when you leave your house, as well as try not to have valuable items that somebody can just look through your window or your door and see, as well as to make sure you have some type of a security system on your house, whether it be ADT or Roku security, but some type of security to protect your house, because these type of things go on all the time. All right, here's the video.